How to add link to Instagram post. Step by step, here's what you need to know. First, it's important to know that Instagram does not allow clickable links directly in post captions. However, there are a couple of easy workarounds you can use. Method 1. Add the link to your caption. Open the Instagram app. Then tap on your profile and go to the post you want to edit. Tap the 3 or 2 dots in the top right corner of the post. Select Edit. Now, paste your website or URL into the caption. Keep in mind that people won't be able to tap the link directly. They'll need to copy and paste it into their browser. Tap Done to save your changes. Method 2. Share the link in your Instagram story. If you have access to Instagram stories, this is the best option. Tap the plus button and create a new story. Choose a photo or video, or share your existing Instagram post to your story. Next, tap the sticker icon at the top. Select the link sticker. Paste your website URL into the box. Tap Done, then customize the sticker text if you want. Move the sticker anywhere on your story and tap Your Story to publish it. Now, anyone viewing your story can simply tap the link sticker to open your website. You can also add a website link to your Instagram bio. Just go to your profile, bottom right side, tap Edit Profile, then tap the link section, and tap on Add Link. Then paste your website under the links section. Then tap Done. This is the easiest way to direct people from your posts to your website. And that's it. Those are the best ways to share links with your audience on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.